Hi, welcome to my channel. In this vlog, I'm going to discuss about the homologación. What is homologación? Let's talk about the homologación. So homologación is the process where your foreign degrees, diplomas, certificates are ensured that they are equivalent to the Spanish standard. For example, if you are coming to Spain and you want to study further or you want to work here or to practice regulated profession in Spain, so this process is quite essential for you because it allows you to work in Spain using your certificates, diploma or university degrees, etc. So in this vlog, I will be guiding you step by step all the process using the online system to apply for homologación for your certificates and degrees. First of all, we have to go to the web page www.universidades.gov.es/procedimiento/portada/ida/3513/idp/1029. So this is a particular link to access the homologación web page. Once entered in this web page, there we have two options: acceso con usuario, acceso con clave. You can use both of the options. If you have user ID and password, you can use acceso con usuario. If not, you can continue with your certificado digital or e-clave. Well, if you are international citizen, if you are not accessing this portal from Spain, in that case you have to register before accessing the process. So here, because I already have my access, so I will use my certificado digital. So I will go with an option 2, which is acceso con clave. So here I'm going to access my certificado digital, which is digital certificate. It's an electronic certificate. So I'm going to access this certificate. So once the system responds to my certificate, it automatically fetches all the data. Now all the data is going to be fetched, and you can see all the data is already fetched. Now you have to write your email address and your mobile number. Next, in datos del solicitante, you have to write the name of your país from where your documents has been issued, like the país del documento identificativo, and then the fecha de nacimiento, your date of birth, país de nacimiento, your country of birth, género, your gender, and then país de nacionalidad. Moving on to the next part, datos del solicitud, you have to write the information of your degree for which you are going to perform the homologación and the area in which the degree has been earned, like the industrial engineering in my case, ingeniería industrial in Spanish. Moving on the next part, documentation. Here you have to upload all the necessary documents. Mainly the 4 documents have to be uploaded, like título, cuya homologación de solicitud de la o la certificación acreditada de su expedición correctamente legalizado. It means all the documents that you are going to upload here must be legalized from the Spanish embassy from your home country. In the first document, you have to upload your degree and then the translation of the same degree. In the next part, you have to upload the transcript and then the translation of the transcript. Remember, all the translations of the documents must be done with the sworn translator of the Spanish authority. Once uploaded all 4 documents, here you have 2 more documents, but here at this stage you don't need to upload these 2 more documents. Now in the declaration, you have to confirm the declaration responsibility, all the documents are correct. In last part, there are 3 more additional documents that you can upload if you have further additional documents to justify your degrees. In my case, I have one more document that is called the Spanish Equivalency Grade Certificate that I have already generated from the online website by the Spanish Education Ministry. Once done, we will go on the next part, that is datos del pago. Here we have the 4 options. We can choose any of 4. In my case, I have chosen pago de través, de número de cuenta, or de tarjeta because I have my online banking and I will choose this option. In last, you have to read all the conditions and you have to accept those conditions. Here we have to write the information about the payment. So opción del pago, because I have already choose the fourth option, that is online banking account. So I will pay my fees using my online banking. So here option the pago, you can select paga telematico, then the name of your bank and then the account number. In last, just click the button NBR and your file is going to be submitted. Now your file has been successfully submitted.